coach, but if you use
Yep.
the arrows and the limit price,
Yep.
you can prepare yourself to buy at the
Yes,
bottom rather than somewhere in the middle of the candle with last
that's
price.
correct. That's correct. You just do a limit. You literally just set a limit to buy. Yep. So
So, coach, if it stays in this channel, I mean, it's gonna. Is it possible potential it's gonna consolidate and then eventually it's just gonna go one way or the other?
that is correct. That's exactly what it's going to do. But here's what's nice. Here's what's nice. You guys get to take advantage of it. Every time it gets here, you're going to buy. Every time it gets up here, you sell. Every time it gets here, you're going to buy. Every time it gets here, sell, right? Now, listen, one of these times, it's going to rip. So as long as you were in the trade, one of these times, right, it comes up, it's going to go boom. Or it's going to come down here and go bam. And you better be ready for both. Now, the good thing is if this was a live market, you guys would be able to have a stop built in at the time of entry, right? So every time you clicked buy, you could say, hey, I need you to stop right here. Then it goes up, you just move your stop up, it kills itself. You buy it again right here, it has an automatic stop, it goes up, you move your stop up, automatic kill. So again, if you guys are literally buying down here, it doesn't have to be on this, but it's got to be near it. And you can see every one of these is near it. See them? And here you go. This is what I was talking about. If you were in this one, what'll happen eventually is it'll go pop. You wait for it to establish the next run of wherever it's going to start to go, the channel. Then we start trading the channel again. Because look at this one. Here comes your pushback to new channel low. So right here, right? If this was regular market hour, you go, hey, here we go again. Buy, stop here. Buy, stop here. You see what I mean?